FIFA should hang their heads in shame.
400 each.
1,500. I know.
It's a joke. The whole thing's just, it's embarrassing.
It's not in the football spirit of things.
So the extortionate cost of tickets has been one of the main talking points of this summer's World Cup. We're going to chat to a few England fans to hear what they think.
It's more frustrating that you can't watch the later rounds. Like, these are tentatively affordable, but when you get to quarters, semis, finals, you're talking 10s, 20s, £30,000 a ticket.
Very different to like a European World Cup.
not-
Very different.
Fans are not in the forefront of anything.
Yeah.
The fan zone's a shithole. Like, the whole thing's just like, we've just whipped it up, whacked the prices up, and that's that. Well, it's alright, but it's fucking hot, isn't it? It's just terrible. They've just like canned together a few like tin shacks, and it's big, but it's no good.
But then you pay £100 for a friendly at Wembley.
It's our first World Cup, so we're happy to wear it.
Yeah. So you'll
He's
take it for
wearing
now.
it, not me.